Is Windows failing to load because of the Garnet Resource Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we get into the manual process for Garnet Resource Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Garnet Resource Library, associated with localized HP laptop support software like HP Command Center. It houses the text strings and icons for the performance and thermal settings. If missing, the HP support app will display a blank UI or report resource load failure, preventing users from changing fan speeds. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because Garnet Resource Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Garnet Resource Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Remember that manual replacement of Garnet Resource Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Garnet Resource Library Guidance. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Garnet Resource Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.